3D printing is revolutionising the way that we make products by bringing the factory into the community and allowing computers and the internet to become the new conduit for skills, innovation and creativity. A 3D printing machine works much in the same way as a 2D printer of pictures or text. The only difference is that the machine produces a tangible 3D object. The process starts with a file, known as a computer-aided design file. Computer software then enables this digital file to be translated into the instructions that the 3D printer understands. By depositing layers of plastic or metal on top of one another, layer by layer, a part is printed. 3D printing is already finding applications across a range of industrial sectors, from aerospace and architecture to automotive industries and through to medical and dental implants, prosthetics and rehabilitation aids. The technology is also finding applications in the consumer goods sector as a way of retailing new products that are made to order with little stock holding and no waste. What's more, because every product is printed, every product can be different, tailored to the individual patient, user or the consumer. 3D printing technology is now cascading down from professional and industrial users to the community and even to home users like you and I. 3D printing is a technology which will quickly become available to most of us. Home-based 3D printing is set to revolutionise the way that we purchase goods by allowing us to download digital data from the internet and manufacture things ourselves at home, much in the same way we download music and film today. In fact, 3D printing has the potential to revolutionise the way that we manufacture, consume and live our lives. With limited manufacturing capacity, poor and often rural communities in countries across Africa, Asia and Latin America are limited by dependency on imports. Lack of infrastructure and accessibility in traditional supply chains with limited logistics means deliveries can take weeks or even months to arrive to individuals and communities most in need. So if 3D printing can reduce physical transportation costs, reduce material wastage and permit more local customised manufacture, how might it impact the developing world? Could it be used to support local manufacture, maybe for agricultural development, education, healthcare, fair trade, or simply to provide access to some basic consumer goods and hardware? And how quickly could that happen? In the developing world, internet-based retail is still in its infancy, but connectivity is growing. TechforTrade set out to find these transformational ideas that could leverage 3D printing technologies to deliver real social benefit in the developing world. Last year we ran the 3D for Development Challenge, or 3D4D, to test the very concept and to allow charities, social enterprises and NGOs the opportunity to learn firsthand about the unique capabilities of 3D printing. The international competition attracted a diverse range of ideas and innovations from around the world, including ideas for 3D printed greenhouses to enable local communities to produce their own food, for 3D printed businesses that would enable waste pickers on dumps to recycle and reutilise material and turn it into products like toys and sanitation aids. We had applications for solar lamps and trackers that could provide sustainable solar energy to local communities, replacing dangerous kerosene lighting, which is often used in rural areas. We had applications for rapid manufacture of soft tissue prosthetics for the hundreds of thousands of people affected by disease and accident and disfigurement, and an application to manufacture shoes to be worn by people suffering from foot deformities due to the growing problem of jiggerfly infestation. As 3D printing becomes more and more affordable, and as mobile penetration and internet access increases even the poorest countries, the possibility for using this technology becomes much more tangible. We believe that 3D printing will be a vital part of a step change in manufacturing capability in developing markets. If you're interested in the opportunities that 3D printing and other innovative new technologies offer in developing countries, then join the conversation by following Tech4Trade on Twitter or Facebook, or by engaging with others in our community, Tech4Trade, on the LinkedIn group. We'd also be delighted if you want to share your ideas with us too. Thank you.